Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to export an XML file from FieldGenius for Android. So what I'm going to do to begin here is you can see I have this project open that was so happened to be named XML import because I imported an XML file into this project, and I'll link to a video in the top right corner where I do that. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to head to my export option, and when I open that you can see my file type right now is set to coordinate files. So what I'm going to want to do is change my coordinate file from coordinate file to LandXML file. And once I have that selected, you're going to see I now have the option to name my file, and that is it. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to head to the bottom right corner and click on export. That's going to export my file. It's going to tell me where it's saved, which is in my FieldGenius projects, and then the project folder and the export folder within that project folder. I'm going to hit done, and I have successfully exported my XML file. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you export a LandXML file from FieldGenius for Android. And if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.